Look at how beautiful she is. Ba-ba-da-ba. This is the best chicken Caesar wrap in Dallas. Tell me I'm wrong. Someone said to get verde sauce on the side. We'll try it without it first. Comes with this chipotle crema, but not a big fan. It's so good. Absolutely incredible. No notes. Let's try it with this. Oh wow. Oh wow, oh wow. Okay, so you get a side of their verde. I didn't know we could take it up any higher. I lied. Maybe I like that.
You do like that. I had to correct her.
Silly me. Melissa holds me accountable, always jumping to conclusions over here. The moral of this story is come to Odelay. That's all, folks. Okay. Me gusta.